everyone, my name is Kelvin. In this video 93, I'm going to create a dynamic chart with Microsoft 365. So I'm going to use the filter function. Right, let's take a look at this data that I have prepared. There's a column called location, customer, and sales, and I'm going to populate this information in another table where whenever I change the location like Langkawi, it will list out Langkawi for me and the chart will change. So first of all, I'm going to convert this into a table. So I'm going to convert this into a table. Okay. And I do not want this color. So what I'll do is I'll just make it no color. Right. It's a table, but it's without a color, without a filter. Right. So I'm going to write a formula now before I prepare my chart because I need to have the data. So I'm going to use this as my criteria. So whenever I choose Langkawi, I want to pick up all Langkawi and put it into this table here. So this is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to use the function. You guessed it. It's called filter. So the array that I'm going to look for is these two, the customer name and the sales, right? But I'm going to highlight like this. I'm just going to click this and this. Just point when the black color arrow appear, just highlight both of them, comma, where include the location, right, is equals to Langkawi. Right, then just close the bracket and that's it. You see, the sales appear. Now, what happened is that the data that is used filter to appear to extract does not come with formatting. So what I've done just now before this video recording, what I'll do is I highlighted this range and I go to the formatting, Control-1, and I use 1000 separator with 0 decimal. Therefore, it looks like this. Okay. Now I'm going to write my chart titles here. My chart titles, I'm going to put there equals to customer sales report by, then I put a space, and by location, the location, space, then I'll put N symbol pointing to this selection that I have. So there you go. I'm going to have this title. Right, so I'm just going to click inside my chart now. Go to the insert clustered column chart. There we go, that's it. And this title that I have here, I'll go to the formula bar, just put equals to this I4. Right, so I'll just do that and it will follow. So whenever I change this to Kuala Lumpur, you look at my chart, dynamically will change and my title will change as well. So I'm just going to put this side by side like this so that I can cover the title. And whenever I choose Penang, Malacca, and whatnot, so the chart will change. So I'm going to make this chart a little bit nicer by actually double clicking this. I go to the gap, I reduce the gap. I don't want it to be too thin. And I'm going to change the color. So which means I'm going to format, I'll change it to orange color. Oops, sorry, there's only one. Select all of them, color, then I'll make a gradient, which is dark at the bottom and lights at the top. Okay, so there you go. I can remove this particular column, what you call this axis, but I'm going to add what we call the data label outside in. So the number is on top. And I don't need the line, the grid line, I delete that. So that's how I want my chart to appear. So whenever I change to a different location, I will have my chart dynamically change accordingly. So I hope you like this video. Please help me to share and like the video. Send it to a lot of people, repost it to a lot of people, and also let them see how it can be done. Okay, so please comment if you have anything that you want to learn. Please let me know. I will be able to create a video for that. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video.